Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Hello, you're so jingly. Gotta take your collar off because you're making lots of noise. You're so good. Let's take this one off. Yay! Yay! Okay, can you sit down? Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am currently in the middle of a full closet clean out. By the time that this video is out, the closet clean out should be out. So I'll be sure to link the full closet clean out part 1 and part 2 down below. And if you did see my closet clean out, I mentioned that I was going to be trying on all of the stuff that I had stored away for fall and winter. So that is what we're doing in today's video. I'm going to be trying on all the pieces. I did this back in the spring this year when I did my other closet clean out. I pulled everything out from under the bed and tried it all on for you guys, and it was really good for me to do that because I found some stuff that I didn't end up wanting to keep for that season. So I'm hoping that by trying all of these fall and winter sweaters on, I will, 1, be very excited about what's in these bags, and 2, hopefully I will find some pieces that I don't totally love that I ended up keeping in the last clean out. So I've got quite a few bags to go through, so we're gonna keep this intro pretty short. I'm just gonna rapid fire through all of these pieces, but I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get into it. So we're gonna start in sweaters because this is what I have the most of. This is the pile of sweaters that I've got going on. So these are all things that I need to try on. This is the stuff I'm getting rid of. But back to this sweater. So this sweater is a thrifted piece. I got this years ago, maybe 2017, and I love this sweater still. Look at this neckline. How cool is this? So this is a vintage sweater. It's like this really cool olive kind of brown, and it's just so cute. I'm not gonna talk about each piece this long because this video would be forever, but I forgot how much I love sweaters so much. This next sweater is a Madewell Gym. This is one of the best sweaters that they've ever carried in my opinion. It is amazing. It's a cardigan, so you can wear it open or you can wear it as a top. And I actually got this sweater from Madewell for hosting an event. So this is like a closet staple of mine that will literally never go anywhere. So I am obsessed with this. I mean, look how chunky it is. This one is another Madewell Gym. I love this one because it kind of looks vintagey, and I forgot I had this one in my closet, but I am so excited to break this one out again. I actually really like it with these light denim shorts. This feels like a really good late summer sweater that you just kind of throw on. So cute, what the heck? This one is a thrifted Tommy Hilfiger sweater, and I got this one right before quarantine, right before COVID hit. So this is the best thrift find I think I've ever found. Look how chunky it is, and then this neck. What? It's so good. I cannot wait to wear this. I haven't had a chance to wear it yet because I got it right before the summer. I'm obsessed with this sweater. Well, I'm obsessed with all of these, so just catch me freaking out this entire video about my sweaters. This one I've had for years. This one's from Madewell. I actually wore it in an engagement shoot with me and Jaywaz, and it's just perfect, and I love it. I mean, look at this neck. Oh, so chic. Okay, this is one that I questioned about keeping last closet clean out, but I just feel like it's so cute. Look at the neckline. This big turtleneck. So I don't know, this one's a maybe. I'll put this in the maybe pile. This one is from Everlane, and it's so stinking cute. With black jeans, this sweater is adorable. I really like it. There's some good detail in it. I think there is some wool in it because it's a little bit scratchy, but I love the gray. This is another one that I've had for years. I think I also maybe wore this in an engagement shoot, but this one has such good texture. It's from Madewell, and it has that mock neck. Just kept it for so long, but I just really like it. This one really reminds me of fall. It's all of the best fall colors and makes me so happy. This one, you guessed it, is also from Madewell. I love the olive green in it though. It's so pretty. This one is from Theory, and I really like it because it's super oversized and slouchy and just really cozy. It is the perfect tan color. All right, here's one that I thrifted. This is a pink cardigan, and I do really like it. It's the style that I really like. The only thing about it is that it has these little pockets in the front, so you can't really tuck it in. So I might actually part with this one, which is super funny because it's the only colored sweater that I have. have, but I'm not like obsessed with it, so this one actually might go. This one is a Michael Stars sweater, and I love the texture on this one. I think it's so unique and different and looks really good underneath a brown like pea coat, so I really like this one still. This one is another Madewell sweater, and this one's adorable. I love this one. It's like a funfetti sweater. It has all these little strands of colored thread, so I really like this one. And it's also cute, kind of tucked as well. This sweater is from Mango, and I think last year was the first time I've ever shopped Mango, and I really liked their pieces, so I really want to grab some more if they have like a good sale or if there's some really good kind of staple pieces, but I really like this one. It's so colorful and cute. This sweater is from Aritzia, and I love the texture on it. It's so pretty. It also is a crop, so it fits really well. I really like where it hits when I wear high-waisted pants. This piece is actually a Chloe piece that I bought from a friend at a closet sale. I am a huge sucker for a designer, and so I just really wanted to own a Chloe piece, so I bought this from her. I think I paid $30, but I'm just, you know, I'm a sucker for designers, so this sweater is really cool that it has these like double buttons on the front, but it actually has these hook closures, so really cute though. I love how like oversized it is. So this sweater is my favorite H&M find of all time. They had it in a bunch of different colors, and my biggest regret was not purchasing more than just this color, but how amazing is this turtleneck? And it is like the perfect slouchiness shape. I love this knitted pattern, and I get so happy every time I see this sweater, so I'm so excited to wear this again. And this was honestly the find of the year for me last year. How stinking cute is this one? This olive green button-up sweater from Madewell. Such a fan. I love this color still. And the sleeves, the little like puff sleeve at the end. So stinking cute. This one is a thrifted piece, and it's amazing. I've had this one for years, and I mean, this neck, so good. And these sleeves, can't believe I thrifted this one. So cute, and this one's vintage, so I love it. This is a Madewell sweater, and it is amazing. Look at the sleeve detail. Has some really pretty palms on it. I actually wore this one on Valentine's Day last year. Maybe this year? Did I wear it this year? I feel like that was forever ago. But I think I might have actually worn it this year on Valentine's Day. And Jawaz took me to a nice date to Chili's where we got cheese curds, and it was a great time. We've gone to Chili's for Valentine's Day, I think 3 years in a row now. We really can't break the streak. So yeah, this is my Valentine's Day Chili's sweater. This one is actually a LIKEYOU sweater, which is the brand that I have, and I love this piece. I kept one for myself because it is just the best sweater. It has these like really long like folds, so I like to fold mine up under my bra or like tuck them in, but it is seriously the perfect cream color, and I just had to keep one because I don't know, it just felt really special to have one of my own sweaters. This one is another LIKEYOU piece, and I just thought this one was super cool. I mean, obviously I picked them out for my store, but this one has some really cool like embroidered thread in the front. And I forgot to mention, I think this one and the cream one is actually still available on the LIKEYOU site, so you guys can order one for yourself if you want, but this one is just really cool. It's like a slicker kind of sweatshirt material. This one is from Madewell, and it is so adorable. It has this little ruffle around the neck and on the sleeves, and I just think this one is super cute. It honestly reminds me of like Blair Waldorf, but I really like it. Can't wait to style this one. This sweater is a 100% cashmere piece. This one's from Mott & Bow, and it's really great quality. This is a really good basic. I also have it in gray, so I will try that one on now. This is the gray one, and these are actually the softest sweaters ever. I think they're still available on the website, so I'll link these ones down below, but I just, you know, we love a good basic cozy piece. This is another Madewell sweater. Can you tell the theme that I've got going on in my closet? They just have some of the best sweaters. But this one is a button-down cardigan. You can wear it open. I like to kind of tuck it up underneath or tuck it into my jeans, but it has these cute little pockets on the front, and it's just like the best kind of caramely brown color. This is a thrifted and tailor piece, and it is impossible to put on without getting makeup all over the neck because it does not not like stretch out like you think it would, but this is a really great quality piece. I got this one I think maybe last year, but it's just a really thick black turtleneck. Last sweater before we move on to dresses, and I think maybe like a blazer, but this sweater I got at H&M a couple of years ago for Black Friday. Great piece, love it. It's so cute. You just throw this one on, you feel really put together. It's just a simple sweater, but I don't know, the fit of it is perfect. So a few of y'all might recognize this dress from the collab video that Taylor and I did, where she came over and styled me in some of my pieces for my closet. This is a Madewell dress, and it obviously needs to be steamed so badly, but this one is just such a cute little holiday dress, and it has this beautiful stripe detail. I do have the wrong bra on for it, so please ignore that, but my necklaces keep getting tangled because I keep changing my sweaters, but it's cute, right? This dress is, I think, from ModCloth, and it's actually really pretty. It has these really gorgeous stars on the front in this, like, I don't think it's organza, but it's really beautiful, and then it has this off-shoulder velvet top, and it's just so pretty. I hope one day I can wear it again if things ever open up. Such a pretty holiday dress. This dress is from Beholden, and I wore this to a holiday party last year, a Christmas party, and it has the most beautiful embroidering and sequins, and of course I'm still wearing the wrong bra, but just ignore that, and it's just this gorgeous dress. I want to be able to wear these again. They're so pretty. I love the detail. So this is actually my favorite piece of clothing that I own. I'm being totally serious. This is my favorite thing in my closet that I would never ever dream of getting rid of. This is also from Beholden, and it is a sequined dress, and it is so fun. This is the ultimate holiday birthday party dress. It's so gorgeous. You throw it on with some heels and you just feel so amazing in it. So every time I put this dress on, I feel amazing. I never want to take this off. This is seriously my favorite piece ever, and I'm sad to think that I might not actually get a chance to wear it this year. So next piece is this skirt, and it's super iridescent. I thrifted this one a while ago, and this is just a fun little party skirt. Okay, last piece. This is an Anthropology velvet green power blazer, and how cute is this for holiday? So adorable. You guys know I love a good blazer, so hoping I'll get to wear it. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing everything that I tried on. If you like these types of videos, give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below letting me know if you've started your transition process, moving your fall and winter stuff over to your wardrobe yet. Be sure to check out my closet clean out. I will link it down below, and my spring try on video I will also link down below in the description box. But if you're new here and you want to stick around for some more videos, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you back on my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye guys.